power outage. Cynics would be safe if National Grid's generators malfunctioned, causing a power outage. No electricity is available. The curtains are drawn. A small stone fireplace is on the floor with charred wood. No movies are watched on computers. There is paper. There are neighbors. Layers of words around wrap the building. A rocking chair is beside the fire on the floor. It is not a real fire, though a cool dark age aesthetic, in theory. There's a chair. There's tap water. A man drinks Coca-Cola. Olive oil is in the cupboard above the stove. Self-restraint in order to get what you always wanted continues. No. To ease the stress, one must sit in the dark in the afternoon and not push others as the sun goes over the backyards, even during a blackout.